Our home is a vast and beautiful galaxy, the Milky Way. It is a sprawling collection of stars, planets, and cosmic wonders that stretches across the cosmos. When we look up at the night sky, we're gazing into the heart of our galaxy, a place filled with mysteries and marvels that have fascinated humanity for millennia. A hazy band of light stretches across the night sky. This band, referred to as the Milky Way, is a dense concentration of stars that form the core of our galaxy. To the naked eye, it appears as a faint, milky glow, but with the aid of telescopes and long-exposure photography, we can see it in all its intricate detail and splendor. Ancient cultures told myths about this celestial river. They saw it as a pathway to the heavens, a bridge between the earthly and the divine. Stories and legends were woven around its shimmering presence, attributing it to gods, spirits, and heroes. These myths were a way for our ancestors to make sense of the vast and mysterious universe that surrounded them. We now know this is the Milky Way, our galaxy seen from within. It is a barred, spiral galaxy with a central bulge surrounded by a flat, rotating disk of stars, gas, and dust. Our solar system is located in one of the spiral arms, about 27,000 light-years from the galactic center. From our vantage point on Earth, we see the Milky Way as a band of light because we are looking at it edge-on. Billions of stars and glowing gas and dust clouds create this spectacle. Each star is a sun, many with their own planetary systems. The gas and dust clouds, known as nebulae, are the birthplaces of new stars. These elements come together to form the stunning tapestry of the Milky Way, a dynamic and ever-changing masterpiece of the universe. Seeing the Milky Way is an awe-inspiring experience. It reminds us of our place in the cosmos and the vastness of our galaxy. Whether we are scientists studying its properties or simply amateur stargazers marveling at its beauty, the Milky Way continues to captivate and inspire us. It is a reminder of the endless possibilities that lie beyond our world, waiting to be discovered. Timing is key for optimal Milky Way viewing. Summer months offer the best opportunities. The Milky Way is visible from late evening to early morning. The darkest part of the night after midnight is ideal. Plan your viewing during a new moon for the darkest skies. Light pollution from cities obscures the Milky Way. Travel to a dark sky location away from urban areas. National parks and rural areas offer pristine viewing conditions. Websites and apps can help you find dark sky locations near you. A clear night sky is crucial for Milky Way viewing. Check the weather forecast for cloudless conditions. Humidity and air pollution can also affect visibility. Allow your eyes to adjust to the darkness for at least 30 minutes. Finding the Milky Way. Look for a faint, milky band of light stretching across the sky. It might appear as a subtle glow rather than a bright streak. The Milky Way is most prominent in the constellation Sagittarius, often called the Teapot. Use a stargazing app to locate Sagittarius and other constellations. Wonders of our galaxy. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is a vast and awe-inspiring expanse of stars, planets, and cosmic phenomena. It stretches across the night sky, a luminous band of light that has fascinated humanity for millennia. Our Sun is just one of billions of stars in the Milky Way. Each star, like our Sun, has its own unique characteristics and potential planetary systems. The sheer number of stars in our galaxy is mind-boggling, and each one contributes to the intricate tapestry of the Milky Way. The Milky Way is a barred, spiral galaxy, about 100,000 light-years across. Its spiral arms are regions of active star formation where new stars are born from clouds of gas and dust. The central bulge is densely packed with older stars, and it is here that we find the heart of our galaxy. At its center lies a supermassive black hole that has a mass equivalent to millions of our Sun and exerts a powerful gravitational pull on the surrounding stars and gas. The Milky Way is part of a larger group of galaxies called the Local Group. This group includes our closest galactic neighbors, such as the Andromeda Galaxy and the Triangulum Galaxy. Together, these galaxies form a small corner of the vast universe, each one a unique and complex system of stars, planets, and cosmic wonders. The Milky Way is not static, it is constantly in motion. Our galaxy rotates, with stars and other celestial objects orbiting the galactic center. This rotation takes hundreds of millions of years to complete, and it is a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the cosmos. Within the Milky Way there are countless wonders to explore. Star clusters, nebulae, and other celestial phenomena offer a glimpse into the processes that shape our galaxy. Each discovery adds to our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The spiral arms of the Milky Way are particularly fascinating. These regions are rich in gas and dust, the raw materials for star formation. As new stars are born, they illuminate their surroundings, creating stunning vistas that can be observed from Earth. The Milky Way is a treasure trove of cosmic wonders, each one a testament to the beauty and complexity of the universe. As we continue to explore and study our galaxy, we uncover new mysteries and deepen our appreciation for the vastness of the cosmos. A universe of discovery. The night sky has always been a source of wonder and inspiration for humanity. From ancient civilizations to modern astronomers, the stars have guided us, inspired myths, and driven scientific inquiry. Gazing at the Milky Way reminds us of the vastness of our galaxy. Each star we see is a sun, potentially with its own system of planets. The sheer number of stars in the Milky Way alone is staggering, estimated to be between 100 and 400 billion. It sparks curiosity about our place in the cosmos. Are we alone in this vast expanse, or are there other forms of life out there, intelligent beings looking up at their own night skies and wondering the same thing? Countless stars within the Milky Way will host planets like our own. The discovery of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars outside our solar system, has opened up new possibilities for finding life beyond Earth. The study of our Milky Way helps our scientists understand the formation and evolution of other galaxies. By observing the stars, gas, and dust within our galaxy, scientists can piece together the history of the Milky Way and gain insights into the processes that shape galaxies throughout the universe. Telescopes, both ground-based and space-based, have revolutionized our understanding of the Milky Way. Instruments like the James Webb Space Telescope have provided us with detailed images of distant stars and nebulae, revealing the intricate structure of our galaxy. These observations have led to groundbreaking discoveries about the life cycles of stars and the existence of dark matter. Modern technology and advanced computational methods allow scientists to simulate the formation and evolution of galaxies. By comparing these simulations with actual observations, researchers can test their theories and refine their models. This process is crucial for advancing our knowledge of the universe. The night sky continues to inspire wonder and curiosity. As we look up at the stars, we are reminded of the endless possibilities that the Milky Way holds. Each discovery, each new piece of knowledge brings us closer to understanding the cosmos and our place within it. The journey of exploration and discovery is ongoing, and our galaxy still has many secrets to reveal. Protecting the night sky. Light pollution not only hinders our view of the cosmos, but also disrupts wildlife. Support efforts to reduce light pollution by using shielded lights. Advocate for responsible lighting policies in your community. Preserve the beauty of the night sky for future generations. Keep looking up. Take the time to escape the city lights and experience the wonder of the Milky Way. Let its vastness inspire you. The night sky is a treasure trove of celestial wonders waiting to be discovered. So keep looking up and exploring the galaxy we call home.